everybody, this is pretty cool. This is the intake vent pre-filter kit by SLP. I'm going to install that today. Now, I have a snorkel on my machine, yes, so I don't take anything in through here anymore. No more air comes in here. But it does always seem to get packed full of mud, and that's going to cover it up pretty darn nicely. Now, if you're running the stock intake system on your machine, you're going to want this because there's a lot of dust, water gets sucked in there, and the little vent on the bottom of the air intake hose really doesn't clean all that out very well. I always found that mine was always full of mud. So this pre-filter material here will keep the dust out, will keep the mud out, and it's going to keep the water out. Very simple install. It's going to take a minute. And another little beauty that Starting Line Products sells is this high-flow air intake kit. It goes right in here, but like I said, I have these snorkels, so I can't actually install this one. But if you're running your stock setup, the more air, the better. Your engine's going to love you for it. So for now, let's install this. It comes with everything you need, the little plastic rivets. All you need is your rivet gun, a drill with a 3/16 bit. I'm just going to place this in a nice spot. I'm going to love this because, you know what, it looks really good on here. And it's going to keep all the mud out from there. I've got SLP's high flow air intakes on my snowmobiles, and they're a quality product, you know. They keep that water and all the debris and dirt and dust out of there, and that's what you really want. I'm just going to position these two, and then I'm going to rivet them into place. Now, you don't need this fancy kind of riveting tool. You can just use a little pop riveter. It'll work fine. SLP actually provides a plastic rivet, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart on the inside like your normal metal rivets. There you go, that holds it into place just perfectly. I know my razor's a little dirty. It's not a show machine. I use it. And it actually treats me pretty well. It's an animal. That looks great. It's going to make the cleanup a lot easier. Right on. I'm going to do that on the other side. Now on this side of your razor, it's the clutch intake. I've taken water in there and mud, and that is not a good thing. Everything else is running fine, but you know what? You can't move when you have water and dirt and debris and mud and all that stuff inside your clutch housing. So this is going to eliminate that. It's going to look pretty darn good on there as well. There we go. SLP thinks all these handy little things to make your ride more enjoyable. I know with your 4-stroke motor, you get water inside your engine. It's not going to work out very well for you. And just when you're out having fun with your friends and you take water inside your clutch housing, no fun. There we go. That looks awesome. That's a great looking and very effective kit available from Starting Line Products or any one of its authorized dealers. Now when you do go to buy this, make sure you tell them that Louis from PowerModz sent you. And don't forget to check us both out on Facebook. I got to thank you guys for coming back. Make sure you come back again. We're going to be installing an SLP clutch kit in here. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.